by Python variable. Hello everyone and welcome to this session of programming with Python. In this session we will understand what do we mean by Python variable. So let's look at our objectives. We will start by understanding what do we mean by Python variable. Afterward we will see how do we assign values to our variable, and afterward we will see what are the different types of variable in Python. So what are variable? Variable are basically a block of memory that holds some kind of value, and the value can be numerical in nature, it can be text in nature, it can be of sequential data type like dictionary, list or tuple, or it can be another variable itself. Now we do not have to forward declare the type of the variable before assigning any value to it, and the act of assignment to a variable allocate the name and space for the variable to contain a value. So what does we mean by this? Let's head over to Python and explore these concepts in detail. Let's say we want to define a variable student and it is going to store some kind of value. Now the type of value is not defined. We can store the name of the student, we can store the age of the student, or we can store the name as well as age of the student in some kind of list format. So as we use the name of the variable and use the assignment operator, which is here the equal sign, then Python will automatically allocate a space in our memory block with the name student, and it understands automatically that we are going to assign some value to it. Now we can store any kind of value in variable. For example, we can store the name of the student, let's say John, which is a string data type. We can also store a numerical value like 17, or we can store the name as well as age of our student, which is a sequential data type because it is storing two different kinds of data type. So as you can see that first we stored the string data type, which is the name of the student, and after it we store the numerical data type, and afterward or currently we are storing the list data type in Python. And in three cases we didn't define the type of the variable, that is we didn't define like int student or list student, etc. So in Python we don't have to forward declare the type of the variable. And how can we find the type of the variable? We can find the type of the variable using the type method. How do we use the type method? To use the type method we write type, and within the parentheses we write the name of the variable of whom type we want to find. For example, if we want to find the type of the variable student, we write type and within the parentheses we write student. And now if I run this, we get the list type because here it is a list data type, it is storing John as well as 17. Similarly, the last assigned value to variable always stores in any variable. For example, if we define student again and give it some another value, let's say 800, and now if we want to find out what does our student hold, so now we can clearly see that it is storing 800 because 800 is the last assigned value to our variable student. So Python, that's why we say that Python is very dynamic in nature. Now there are certain keywords which cannot be used as the name of any variable. For example, here we have false, none, true, and, as, assert, break, etc. And now if we want to describe a variable with a name and want to give it a value name, let's say the name of our student John, then Python will give us an error and will say that it is an invalid syntax because I am trying to store some value in a keyword. So what did we learn in this video? That variables are the box of memory that holds some kind of value, and in Python we do not need to require the forward declaration of the type of the variable because Python is very dynamic in nature. So that's all for this video. Thank you for listening, and we will meet in the next section. Thank you.